What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up so that you can easily find and track your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 in the event that you ever lose them or they get stolen. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you get updated when I upload new videos, and hit the bell while you're down there. And also, if you want an epic phone case like this for your phone, check out the links down below in the description. All right, so let's get right to it. So this is something very important that you should always do. So in order to track, locate, and find your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 in the event that you lose them or they get stolen, so first thing you need to do is you need to connect them properly with your phone and on your Galaxy Wearables app. Okay, so we can press the button down here for a few seconds until this menu here appears, and then we can connect. All right, so there you go. We reconnected them. So in the Galaxy Wearables app, if you open it up and your Galaxy Buds 3 are connected to your device, this is what will show up. Once here, you're going to scroll down to earbud settings. And then here in earbud settings, we're going to select our Samsung account. So as you can see, there's my name and Samsung account. Okay, once here in Samsung account, you're going to select Find My Mobile. All right, so these options down here are to find your actual phone. You may want to make sure that you have these enabled so that you can also track your phone as well. Allow this phone to be found. Send last location. You're going to want to enable that, and offline finding. Enable that as well. So once we're ready to find your Galaxy Buds 3, we're going to select on this link right here that reads smartthingsfind.samsung. Go ahead and select it. Give it a couple seconds. It will take a little bit to load it. Okay, and as you can see, it is showing the location here of my phone. However, we want to find the location of the Galaxy Buds 3. So we're going to select the three lines up here. And here we're going to select the Galaxy Buds 3. And as you can see, the Galaxy Buds 3 here show up. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. So as you can see, it shows us exactly where the Galaxy Buds 3 are. Okay, another cool thing I want to mention is that you can also select this ring sound here. And what this will do is the earbuds themselves will ring. So we can go ahead and select on it so that in case we are nearby the earbuds, they will play a sound so that we can locate them. So hit start when you're ready and play sound. Okay, so once you found them, you can go ahead and hit stop. Okay, so this is very useful if you lost one or both of your earbuds. You can play the sound if you're nearby them and they will play so that you can locate them. However, this is not going to work if they're both inside the charging case and the charging case is closed, because this will disconnect the charging case from your phone. So if it is closed like this, it will not play the sound. All right, everyone. So that is how you can always track and locate your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.